So guys, I'm just doing a quick video. This is really for my for any viewer, because I mean it's public for anybody to see, but for the ones that's already subscribed to my channel, y'all will have to see the first video to understand what's going on. But check out the first video. But I'm giving y'all an update. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like crying. I'm just you can believe in the Most High and have a relationship with him, but everybody go through their times where they just ain't in the mood. And today I'm just not in the mood. I'm having a rough ass day. I'm just not in the mood. I'm not gonna cry on here though, but I'm feeling some type of way. And like it's hard when you ain't got transportation. So the guy finally came over to finally help me with the cars. One of my cars, both of my cars are old. The only one he was able to get to crank up, which I was able to do it myself because I had those terminal, whatever you call those things, where you can just plug them on, they'll just crank up. So my old car that's a 1998, I ain't have no problem with it. I was able to crank it up, but it has major problems like leaks and stuff. But but at least I got one of them to crank up. However, that's why it's good to have two cars. But I'm still messed up because I don't have money for car insurance. So he was able to get the other one. I mean, he wasn't able to get the Toyota Avalon to crank up. Come to find out, it wasn't even the battery. My battery is brand new because I not too long ago had replaced it before all this financial hardship started happening to me. Come to find out, it's the damn starter. So I'm like, every time you turn around, it's something. Like, I did not need to hear that with all this stuff that's going on with me. So I'm like feeling depressed and stressed out and don't even feel like doing nothing no more today, man. I'm just going to be like, I probably might not do no videos until I kind of cool down because I'm feeling some type of way. And I didn't want to hear that bad news, man. So I'm pretty much don't have no way to pretty much get around until I can fix it. I'm gonna digress there because I can't tell too much until I know other things about the other issues that I got going on. That I'm trying to wait for some deals to go through because I'm really gonna need the deal now. Because however, I'm gonna digress there. I know I'm all over the place, but the same guy that I got to see about my cars today, he basically is gonna try to contact one of his mechanics to try to see how they can pretty much help me out with getting a starter. And he basically like tried to call around to like try to price me a starter. And the starter is, I think, like one something for a brand new starter for the Toyota Avalon. And so I'm gonna have to buy the parts, and I don't have no money. So I'm not gonna tell y'all my business and what is gonna happen from here. I don't know far as like how I'm gonna get that fixed or whatever. And then I still need car insurance. Y'all have to go look at my first video, but I'm gonna digress here. I'm feeling some kind of way. I'm finna just kind of try to relax and try not to think about all of this, and eventually it'll get better, and I'm just gonna keep praying about it. But okay guys, I hope y'all day is going good because mine ain't. Anyways, try to be safe, guys. Take care. Bye.